I'm going to open all of those images at once. It's nice that you can actually open multiple files at once. I just did a shift select. I'm holding down shift and selecting all of these files to open them. And Photoshop will go through them and open them up. And we'll get to see a lot of ranges of sizes, which is nice because it'll make our task a lot more challenging. But they're all in separate tabs, which is kind of annoying. And an easier way to work with a lot of files is to rearrange your tabs so that you can see them all at once. Let me show you how to do that. Under Window, you can go to Arrange, and there's all these different defaults of arranging your tabs. My favorite for this application is Float All in Windows, and let's see what that does. Now this has stacked all of the images on top of each other in this kind of cascading sense. And so really I can go through them all like a file folder and pick what I need.